back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hanayap. I do travel vlogs and videos about dogs, paw vlogs. What I'm gonna do right now in this video is I'm gonna show you the one I bought in Shopee. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored or what sa Shopee. Here, I'll just show you what I bought. This is a tapestry for walls or decorating for your rooms. I'm also gonna include this in my another video, so watch out. All my collections of flamingos because I really love them and I'm really addicted to them. So this one I bought it in Shopee. 1212 hashtag. I'm not really safe. So this is the design. I'm just gonna show you. Oh, by the way, my niece is here, so say hi. So this one I bought, it's a tapestry wall decor. As usual, it's a flamingo design. I'm gonna put it at the back. Yan, dyan sa wall. And may naka-include na may pin here. There's a 2 double coated tape here and some pins. So there you go. I'm gonna I'm gonna set up this later on. So there's 2 pins here and my hole, my loop. And here, so i-discover ko pa kung paano to mag-work dyan sa wall kasi bawal daw. Ayan. Ayan here. Here. So bawal kasi magbutas sa wall. So DIY na lang tayo at let's go! This is the design. Here. Woo! Okay, so maybe I'll just put it here. I also bought a permanent mounting tape indoor. So this holds 4.5 kilogram and 1 meter siya. This one. I'm also gonna put this in my wall clock. Maybe I'll just put it here. I don't know. This is my first time actually doing this. So I hope this works. I'll just remove the cover. I already put the pin here. I hope tama yung ginagawa ko. Okay. Here we go. So, sana pantay. And here we go. The other one here. So, since hindi kasya pag ganito, so sinide ko na lang siya. Parang diamond shape. Para magkasya siya. Like this. not in the center, right? Yep, it's really nice. So I really like it. I really like the design because I'm really addicted to Flamingo. So as you can see there, I also have a lump of Flamingo. And yeah, in my other video, I'm also gonna share to you a collection of Flamingos. So yeah, that's my tapestry wall. That's my DIY tapestry wall decor / background walls for vloggings. Bye guys!